Ever get random hiccups? There's a quirky reason behind them. Let's gulp it down. You're sipping soda, and suddenly, a hiccup hits. Why? It's your diaphragm throwing a tiny tantrum. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, spasms. This pulls air in fast, snapping your vocal cords shut, making that hic sound. Imagine this. You eat too fast, and your stomach nudges your diaphragm. It twitches, sucking air, and hic. You're hiccuping in the middle of lunch. Why do they happen? Hiccups can come from eating too much, stress, or even a brain signal glitch. They might have helped baby mammals learn to suckle milk. Fun fact: fetuses hiccup in the womb, practicing breathing before birth. Adults just kept the reflex, even if it's mostly annoying now. Scientists study hiccups to understand nerve signals, but no cure's foolproof. Holding your breath might help, though. Next time you hiccup, blame your diaphragm's surprise party. Hiccup often? Comment below, like this video, and share with your quirky pals.